How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we are going to be talking about SoFi earnings. So we're going to go over and look at exactly what to expect for the earnings. We're going to be looking at the technical analysis. What are the exact numbers that Wall Street is expecting for SoFi earnings? We're going to cover what could potentially happen if we see a massive surprise for SoFi. We're going to cover all this information in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. As you can see over here, we have SoFi stock that is trading at $9.55. So it was up 5.6% on Friday. SoFi is one of those stocks that have been performing very, very good. As you can see, year to date, it's up more than 112%. And the stock has been really trending higher and higher for the past several weeks. So let's go over some important things to watch out for SoFi for this upcoming week. We have earnings announcement that is going to be coming up for Q2 earnings call at 8 a.m. And that is going to be really crucial for SoFi stock. So let's go over and look at a detailed breakdown of exactly what Wall Street is expecting for SoFi, what analysts are saying for SoFi stock, and what to expect on the earnings report. When you look at a recent analyst upgrades and downgrades, we have a recent price target change by an analyst that came out before the earnings. He's stating he's giving the stock a hold rating and a price target of $7. So that was relatively close to the price right now. However, we've been seeing a lot of upgrades, downgrades the past few weeks. So this stock has been holding strong. It's been bullish. Even though different analysts were coming out and downgrading the stock, we still decided to trend higher and higher for SoFi stock. We're actually getting close to $10, which is the price target that we talked about for the past several weeks. So let's go over exactly what is Wall Street expecting for SoFi earnings. So Wall Street is expecting SoFi to post a loss of 0.07 per share in Q2 compared with a loss of 0.12 in the prior year period. Furthermore, revenue expectations are pegged at 475.87 million, representing a year-over-year jump of 22.2%. So this is really important numbers to watch out for, because if we get a big surprise or an unexpected number, we could see SoFi stock reacting aggressively either to the upside or to the downside. So we're going to look at exactly what kind of price action to expect. When you look at the options market makers, they're expecting at least a 12% move on the stock. You see SoFi stock trading above $10 tomorrow, or going down and getting close to $8 tomorrow. So that is going to be the key numbers to watch out for earnings. So let's go over and look at the technical indicators. As I mentioned, SoFi stock has been trending higher and higher for the past several weeks. As you can see over here, we had this massive move that happened in spite of all the student loans and all those important news that came out that affected SoFi. We hit $10.22. We pulled back because we got several downgrades on SoFi stock. We held above $8, which is relatively good. That is a strong sign. And we retested the $10 again. Now we're sitting close to $10, and tomorrow we could expect a big move to happen. As I mentioned, it's going to be at least a 14% move for SoFi stock that options market makers are expecting. So if we get a big move, we could break out of the $10 mark area, maybe potentially hit a new 52-week high. We could get it. The 52-week high for SoFi is $10.23. So we could potentially set a new 52-week high, or we can break down. And even if we break down, we have a strong support at $8, and that could be the price point to watch out for SoFi. So as I mentioned, let me show you how to calculate the options market makers, how they calculate the potential stock move for SoFi. So what you want to do is you want to look at the recent in-the-money calls and in-the-money puts. You go over the options chain over here. You look at the in-the-money calls and then in-the-money puts. You're going to be using those prices to calculate the expected move for SoFi earnings. So let's open up a calculator over here, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate it. So as I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the in-the-money one. So the in-the-money one is a $9.50 strike price over here. So the stock is trading at $9.55. The last price for the $9.50 call is 0.79. So we're going to type in 0.79 plus We have the in the money put is going to selling. The last price was 0.76. So we're going to add that 0.76. It's going to give us $1.55. And then we're going to divide it by 2. It's going to give us 0.775. And then currently SoFi is trading at $9.55. So you're going to get $9.55 divided by the one that we calculated, which is 0.775. So we expect at least a 12% move. You know, the article came out, I think it was like last week. So the options prices, of course, change. But this is a quick way of actually calculating the expected move for SoFi. So we expect at least a 12% move for SoFi for this upcoming week. So it might happen tomorrow, or it might happen the day after tomorrow, and etc. But we expecting at least a 12% move for SoFi stock for the August 4 expiration options. So let me know in the comments section below in general, what are you expecting for SoFi for this upcoming week? Do you think we're going to be breaking out of the $10 mark area and hit a new 52-week high for SoFi? Or we could potentially pulling back all the way to $8. I'd love to hear your opinion. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, make sure you hit the like button. But I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.